Hey guys, it's kind of a 5N here. That's a fan you have not seen on my channel in a very long time. This is the 2000, my grandmother's 2002 Aries 10-inch box fan. It's definitely not fan season. It's today's February 2nd, 2019, and we just had a cold snap. We've been having a lot of cold snaps lately, 40, 30, 40 below, and it's been pretty chilly. So this fan was bought at Walgreens years ago in 2002, and yeah, so here's low. Hasn't been started up in months. So here's low. And it runs perfectly. Medium. And high. And off. Here's the side. The back. The back is gray. And here's the plug right there. It's a polarized plug. And it's kind of yellowed a little bit. And the sticker was originally red in cursive, but I had to take it off. It fell off, so I had to put a piece of masking tape that wrote Aries on it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.